Introducing to you the world's smallest electric motor, which you know they are putting in your medication.
This is a prototype rotor for the world's smallest handmade electric motor. It's the largest component in the assembly, and I made it on a watchmaker's lathe. Here it is sitting on a grain of sand. So let's get cracking, and I will tell you about the motivation for this project. It was originally inspired by one of Richard Feynman's infamous lectures entitled "There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom." In this lecture, he offered a considerable cash prize to anyone who could make an electric motor no larger than 1/64th of an inch cubed. That's about the size of a grain of sand. So the question is, using similar tools and techniques, can we achieve the same feat? To stand a chance of making a motor at this scale, it has to be very simple. The idea here is 4 electromagnets are attached to a base plate, and the rotor sits between the electromagnets. By energising diagonal pairs of coils with opposite polarities, the hope is we can rotate the magnetised rotor. So I placed a microscope cover slip, basically a thin piece of glass, over the electromagnets and applied a drop of watch oil. This allowed the Alnico disc to float on a thin film. I turned on the electromagnets and this is what I saw.
So what do you think these people in your government's got when they inject you full of lipid nanoparticles?